Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CaseFox Billing Software, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the CaseFox website. Look for the Downloads section on the home page. Click on the appropriate link to download the billing software for your operating system. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the CaseFox setup file. Double-click on the setup file to begin the installation process. If prompted by your operating system, choose to allow the application to make changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Select your preferred language during the setup wizard. Read and accept the license agreement to continue. Choose the destination folder for the installation or go with the default option. Click Next to proceed with the installation. On the next screen, select any additional components you wish to include. Click Next again to confirm your selections. After this, the installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now, locate the CaseFox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click on the icon to launch the software. You will be greeted by the welcome screen. Create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Follow any additional prompts to configure your preferences. Once set up, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now you are ready to start using CaseFox Billing Software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.